I've been with WyoTech for 30 years, and just on my watch, I've seen so many people graduate and change their life and become very, very successful, whether it's building street rods or running dealerships or manufacturing vehicles, off-road vehicles. And so we decided we're going to figure out how to honor 6 students out of 60,000 that have graduated from WyoTech. Last night we had a great event and we honored 6 graduates from all over the country. We celebrated them last night, and then today they showed up at the car show. Many of them brought their race cars or their street rods that they've been successful with because they've owned their own businesses. Part of our nomination process is we want to make sure that whoever we select as the Hall of Famers are passing their trades on to a younger generation. Because right now, the trades are a hot item, and so no matter what trade it is, whether it's electrician or body work or whatever, everybody's in need. And so we want to make sure that our graduates and the people that we select as nominees for the Hall of Fame are passing their experiences on to the younger generation. And so we will be putting their videos out on social media to attract more people to the trades, because that's the greatest need in America currently. We're taking nominees now for 2024. We'll continue this annually.